All right, Buick fans, here you have one of the most drop-dead gorgeous 65 Buick Riviera, but it's the Grand Sport Edition. What that gives you are the twin fours right on top of that engine. And take a look at the treatment on this car. Correct tar top battery. Amazing treatment. And there's your twin horns that hang down from the hood. And check out this paint. My friend Jim owns this car, and he treats it so delicately, and you can tell. Look at that fine filigree work in there. This car is beautiful, man. And not only is it beautiful, but it is quick. With those twin fours on there, wide whites, you can't help but just rip in this thing. Luxury muscle from the folks at Buick. And this is what all the other makes tried to put out their luxury muscle editions to compete with cars like this. And what we're going to do is we're going to take a minute or two, and we're going to talk to Jim, the owner. And Jim, how long have you owned this car?
2017.
2017? Mm-hmm. Okay. You also had a 69 silver car that was equally as beautiful.
Yeah, it was a beauty.
It was. I really love that car.
Yeah.
But you know what? I like this one because it's the Grand Sport. So
this is the money car.
Yes, it is. No doubt. Very rare. You had talked about the production numbers a few minutes ago. How many of these were made?
3,354.
Wow. Okay, in 65.
Yep.
Yep. And
well, with the vinyl roof,
yes.
about 600.
Oh, okay.
With the Grand Sport.
Yes. Yes. Very good. And I know that you've done a lot of work to this car. Mm-hmm. You've had some people, some very good restorers in there, and it shows.
Yeah.
The vehicle is beautiful, man.
Appreciate it.
Yeah. So what do you like most about this car, Jim?
The difference.
Yeah?
There's just not many cars around like it at all.
Right.
And it's just the difference of it that I like.
Mm-hmm.
Because a lot of people have Chevys.
Yes.
And a lot of people have these.
That's right. No doubt about it. Yes.
Now,
well,
the wheels on there, those are turbo wheels. Those were
okay.
an option.
Yes. Okay. The turbine wheels are okay.
Wheels
very good. And of course, clamshell headlights.
Clamshell headlights.
That's yep. And the horns. Is that an option with the GS, or is that just a separate option?
That's just an option.
Oh, it's an option. Okay. Good. Good. Well, I'll tell you what. I have to congratulate you. This thing is drop dead beautiful, my friend.
Thank you.
All right. Very good. Thank you, Jim. And
let me show you that.
And there you have it, guys.
You see on the rear end here, I'll show you that.
Oh, I guess he's not done. He's going to let us give us a little more information. But
see the badging on this?
Oh, yes.
Very difficult to find because most of them are all faded out.
Okay. Yes. And then also this piece right here, usually.
Yeah, the badging.
And that's an NOS piece, right?
Yeah.
Wow.
Stock.
Nice. Yep. That is premier, man.
Because most of them are pretty good, but everything fades. I mean, the red fades and the other part of it's good.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
Well,
but
very good.
That was hard to find. It only took me 10 years.
Awesome. Well, there you go, Buick fans. One of the best in the business.
That's a great Riviera.
And there you have it. Gauze Garage. Thank you.